In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as sent in Go High level. This is really useful if you've already shared an invoice with a client outside of the platform, maybe by downloading it as a PDF or sending it through another channel, and now you just want Go High level to reflect that it has been sent. By marking it as sent, your records stay accurate and your reporting, follow-ups, and automations will be more reliable. First, log into your Go High level account and make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where that invoice lives. Once you're there, look for the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From that menu, click on the Payments section. This is where Go High level keeps everything related to billing, invoices, estimates, and transactions. After you open Payments, you'll see several tabs or options near the top. Click on the tab labeled Invoices and Estimates. This view groups your invoices and estimates together so you can easily manage all of them in one place. Give it a second to load, especially if you have a lot of billing documents in your account. Now, you'll see a list of invoices. Use the search bar or filters if needed to quickly find the specific invoice you want to mark as sent. Once you've located it, click directly on that invoice to open its details. This will bring up a detailed view showing the client information, line items, totals, and current status. At the top right area of the invoice page, you should see a Send button. Right beside that button, there's a small arrow or drop-down icon. Instead of clicking the main Send button, click on that arrow. This opens additional sending options, which are handy when you don't want to send the invoice through Go High level, but still want the system to treat it as if it has already been sent. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option labeled Copy and Mark as Sent. When you select this, Go High level will copy the invoice link to your clipboard, so you can paste it into an email, a chat, or any other communication channel you prefer. At the same time, the system updates the invoice status to Sent. That's all you need to do. Your invoice is now marked as Sent in Go